Hey everyone, this is my 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom main floor of a house for rent. It's COVID-19 season, so I want to give you a video tour and show you what it looks like. Currently standing by the front door. Right here is a desk where you can work and a living room. It's a fully furnished suite, so it comes with the things you see. There's the front entrance closet. Just to the right of the front entrance is the bathroom. It's got a full shower bath. It's new, it's beautiful, it's really warm. And you got a small sink down there. Some storage. Moving through the house, you've got your second bedroom here. It's the smaller of the two. And a full-size closet. Immediately beside that small bedroom is the master bedroom. Big enough for a queen-size bed. It's got a chest of drawers that comes with. The bed is included if you need it. If you've got your own bedding, obviously, I'll have the bed removed, no problem at all. Here's your dining room. Obviously, I'll remove all my mail. And a view to the backyard. So, cool thing about this place, the sun comes up over there, and you get morning light coming in this window, and the kitchen window over there, and in the afternoon, you get sunlight through the front 3 windows. So it's really got a lot of beautiful natural light. Here's the kitchen. It's a really nice kitchen to cook in. There's lots of usable surfaces. Appliances included are a newer microwave, newer fridge freezer. It's got a convection oven and a flat top stove. Here is the dishwasher, and it's got a nice sink. I'm gonna clear out all these things. View to the backyard, really big driveway, lots of room to park, and a view to the neighbor's trees where there's a bunch of nice birds. So, this is what the place looks like. I'm trying to not have a lot of in-person showings due to COVID-19 and all that's going on. I hope this video gives you a sense of the space. A note on the back door is used for the tenant who's in the basement. So yeah, separate entrances for now. You'd be using the front door over there, and the basement tenant would exclusively use the back door. We don't want any cross-contamination. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed the little tour. Feel free to shoot me a message. I can answer any of your questions. And if you're really interested, I can arrange an in-person showing. Thank you very much.